Hello and welcome everybody, and in today's episode we have bicycle made in Austria, Puch Elegance. In previous video you can check how the bike looks like when it comes to me, and now is restored. The bike was not complete. It has lots of missing parts. There was no wheels, saddles and handlebar, so I have to replace those parts with parts which run period correct. So 99% of this bike is period correct, except one exemption, which one is saddle, as you see here, because I have this one already in my storage and was brown and slightly used it, so I thought I'd go for it and try for this bike. Build those wheels, front and rear, so the wheels are pretty nice and straight. So that's how it looks. The bicycle is equipped with weinmam brakes and weinmam brake levers, sturmey archer hubs, a color match chainguard, mudguards and rear rack to achieve this vintage look. Also the bike has sturmey archer shifter and vintage bell. The end result is pretty nice. I'm very happy with how the bike came out, because at the beginning when I started was, like I said, not completed and doesn't look very promising, but at the moment it's very nice. Have like I'm saying, vintage flavor. The bicycle have lots of patina, frame and parts there use it, so I kept in this same mod with rest of the stuff. I would say the bike is like a medium size in today's money, so it's not for somebody very tall, not for somebody very small, but with sloppy frame, it's very versatile vintage bike, and I'm pretty sure with many years ahead to riding on the streets and saving on carbon footprint. It's always amazed me how the bikes was made in the past and they survive somewhere in a garden, in a shed, in a dump, whatever, and it's very satisfying when you take a bike like this and bring him back to life, bring him back to possibility of cycling. The bike is fully functional. Just take a seat and look how it's done. The rear hub is sturmey archer dynamo hub. If I had a set of lights I would be fitted to this bike, would be perfectly matched, but unfortunately I don't have any spare vintage lights at the moment, so it has to be as it is now. But all in all, nice. This sturmey archer shifter is, sometimes people ask me how it's works. It's just you're changing the gear, but you don't pedaling in the meantime, just changing like that, so without using pedals. Vintage bell, very nice. I also fix this brake cable in a position so it is going smoothly to the rear and is working, so it's not snapping or going somewhere. that was original, what was done, and I customized here and there. So all in all, very nice. It's not very flashy, but will do with cycling around the city for shopping, French baguettes, potato, milk, and all sorts of things which one we needed on every single morning, making tea, coffee, or breakfast. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to have a look how the bike looks like at the beginning, you have to go to the previous video. It's very short, but like I said, I started working on this bike immediately and finish that one quick as possible. The rims in remarkable shape, clean and tidy, straight, lovely. At the moment, thank you very much, and see you in next episode. Happy cycling, guys and girls.